Hello friends, in this session I want to discuss about holistic approach of adoption of the cloud technology, mainly focusing on to regulatory industry. As we know, cloud plays a very important role in digital transformation. Last couple of years, cloud is getting accepted as a technology. We are moving from customer maintaining the hardware, it is going to the cloud, and there are very good cloud service providers are there who take responsibility of maintaining your data, which is made available to anyone, everyone across the organization whenever it is required. So what is this holistic approach? Holistic approach is the technology has to be looked at from the top level. That means it should really integrate the technology requirements also, but it should really satisfy at the same time the business requirement, business expectations, connecting the all the stakeholders. And then that needs to be drawn the various factors which are to be considered. So I am just discussing those factors over here. The first and most important thing is the business requirement. Every business is a unique business. No, there are some are into products, some are into services. But when you are talking about the products or services also, there are different stakeholders like from manufacturing to the distribution to the marketing to the customer to the customers also, and at the same time from looking at it from the suppliers also. So business requirements are changing actually. We have to really satisfy all those requirements. Now when you are talking about such a large network or an ecosystem which is going to drive the requirements even at a individual level or a group level or a department level or a geographic level are also different. So we have to really take into consideration all those business requirements, all those present, maybe a manual or maybe some computerized systems and all that, and how they will get integrated into a complete digital transformation process. So that's the most important starting point of looking at it, how the cloud adoption will move. Because you are not looking at it only one step, but it's a complete life cycle of transforming the system from your silos to the end-to-end seamless data integration. So, which is what is more important. So, business requirements is the most important thing. Second is the strategy. Now, when we are talking about such a complex systems, the strategies at a corporate level will be different. Strategies at a different operational levels, like marketing, procurement, manufacturing, quality, these will be again different. So we have to have a strategic plan, how these things are to be computerized, what should be their priorities, what are the stakeholders' expectations, how the businesses processes will change, how they will satisfy the customers. So all those are to be taken into consideration. So the strategic planning is the second factor which needs to be considered. Then comes the third one is the operational and regulatory requirements. When you are talking about the operation is one, of course, maybe if you're looking at it in a distribution side, the warehouse management and transportation is one operation. If you're looking at it, the supplier side, the procurement and processing and storing about the material and inventory is another thing. If you look at it, the quality is another regulatory document. If you look at it, the manufacturing process, manufacturing execution systems has got a different requirement. So there are different requirements which needs to be considered. So we started with the business requirement, then move to the strategic end, and then comes to one more level down, which talks about the operational requirements and all that. So once we know all these operational requirements, those needs to be considered how it will get supported into your cloud adoption. Now you go and select, which cloud platform will be suitable, how it will be helpful in solving all your hardware requirements or the technology requirements and all that. Then you shortlist and select the platform, discuss about both the technology and commercial thing, work out a business case that how it will going to benefit tangibly and intangibly. So that's the another thing. And then finally coming to the deployment. What normally we suggest or we recommend is you can really start with one small pilot project, selecting a department or a manufacturing process or operation process, which is a priority area or where you can see good benefits coming up immediately. And then deploy that particular cloud application, migrate your present legacy systems to the new system and all, and see the benefits over there. Once you are happy, you are satisfied, then you move to the next, then go on slowly integrating it around. But end-to-end integration is going to derive maximum benefits to the organization. So this is how that holistic approach should be seen in adoption of the cloud as a life cycle. I hope I've been able to discuss about the concept or the factors which needs to be considered. If you need more information, please subscribe our channel. You will get many more videos continuously that will help you to improve your understanding and will definitely help you in moving adoption of these technologies. Please subscribe the channel, share your comments so that it will be useful to us also for our new videos. My contact details are over here, so feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.